This is such a bad idea. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Aria. So if you saw my glow up video, I asked if anybody thought that I should cut my hair, and one person said yes, and that was all it took for me. Technically, 2 people did. Technically, my best friend Haley also commented, but she also told me in person that I shouldn't do this. My mom and I, we watched Brad Mondo's video on how to do this, and we were feeling very inspired, so we bought hair cutting scissors yesterday, and she was gonna cut my hair for me this weekend. I was gonna be like the guinea pig, and if it worked out, she was gonna cut her hair or I was gonna cut her hair, but I just feel like I want the experience of doing it myself. Oh my god, I'm like shaking. This is like such a bad idea, but like I also really want to do it. I'm gonna cut it a little bit longer than I actually want it, so that if it needs to be evened out, either my mom can even it out this weekend, or I can go to like an actual hair salon, because hair salons are open. It just like I could like go to a hair salon and wear a mask and stuff, but I just don't want to risk it if I don't have to. And also I've kind of always wanted to like cut my own hair, because I feel like that's just like an experience. From the research that I have done, the supplies that you will need are a brush or a comb. I think you're supposed to use a comb, but I don't have that. You also need hair cutting scissors. Brad said it was very important to actually use hair cutting scissors. And then you also need like something to section off your hair. I'm just going to be using hair ties because I don't have anything else. You're also supposed to straighten your hair, which I did not do because I am 19 years old and I still have never straightened my own hair. It's just naturally pretty straight, and I've just like never really needed to do it, or when I have, I've just gotten my mom to, and I didn't want to do it for this video because I didn't want to like burn my hair. Yeah, so if you don't have like naturally straight hair, you should probably straighten it. I probably should have. My hair is also still just a teensy bit damp. I did blow dry it. I blow dried it like while I brushed it so that it was like more straight down. Oh my god, I'm so scared. This is such a bad idea. I did not tell my mom that I was doing this. You're also supposed to part your hair how you normally part it. I always part mine to the side like this. Somebody commented on my room video and was like, please do a middle part. It looks so bad on me. I promise you don't want that. So once you've straightened your hair, or not like I did, parted it and like brushed it, now it's time to section it off. So I have pretty thin hair, so I'm only gonna be doing 2 sections. So Brad said to go like to your ear, like just behind your ear, like that. I should probably pull up Brad's video, but I'm like kind of too lazy. And then this isn't me sectioning off like I'm just like getting this hair out of the way. This isn't how I'm sectioning it. Don't worry. Then you're supposed to take, oh my god, this is such a bad idea. This is such a bad idea. This is such a bad idea. Okay, then you're supposed to like section to where you want it. So I think I want it more like there, but I'm gonna do it like down here. This is such a bad idea. This is such a bad idea. Okay. So Brad said to like pull it down like that. That's like not even that short. We're gonna start with it like that though. And then this is where it's tricky because you want it to like be lined up. Wait, I have a lot of hair back here. This is such a bad idea. This is literally the worst idea I've ever had. Oh my god. Am I gonna have a breakdown in this video? It's fine. It's just hair. It grows back. Is that even? I can't tell. Maybe. Okay, let's do the other side. Oh wait, that is not right in the back. Hang on. This is literally such a bad idea. I'm so stupid. Okay, yeah, this is like not totally straight. We're gonna do it. Oh god, this is such a bad idea. This is such a bad idea. Okay, I can see where a comb would have been useful. This is such a bad idea. Oh god, this is not a good idea. Okay, and then let's separate my hair in the back. Literally, why am I doing this? I don't even think I ever like cut my own hair as a kid. Like, you know how that's like a thing that kids do? I like didn't do that. This is such a bad idea. Is that even? Literally, why am I doing this? I can definitely see why it would be helpful to have somebody else do this for you. Okay, I think that's even, maybe. Do you guys have a favorite side of your hair? Because this side's my favorite side. This side just like never works with me. My hair's like kind of frizzy too. Yeah, I definitely should have straightened it. This was such a bad idea. Okay, I know I sound like I'm about to like cry or something, which I'm actually not. It's just that I'm too lazy to go get a glass of water, so my throat's just a little bit dry. I was really gonna try and do this in my room, and I really don't know why I thought I was gonna be able to do that. Okay, that is like so much shorter than I want. That's like kind of even. Okay, all right, let's start, I guess. Oh my god, this is like the worst idea I've ever had. Okay, you're doing this, all right? You're doing this. Your mom can fix it for you. So Brad said to point cut, which is where you like go like this. Oh god. I shouldn't have done this. This was such a bad idea. This was such a bad idea. That was so much hair. Okay, now I'm kind of about to cry. This was a really bad idea. This is kind of boring. Oh my god, there's so much hair. That's so gross. Why is hair like not gross when it's on your head? But then as soon as you cut it off, it's disgusting. This is a lot more hair than I thought it was going to be. Oh my god, this was such a bad idea. Okay, let's do this one. It's gonna be so uneven, but like it's okay. This is like a lot more hair. Oh god. I cannot believe I thought I was gonna do this in my room. Like that's just so funny. This was a mistake. Hang on, I feel like I gotta just like cut a big chunk. Oh no, that was such a... This is so gross. Guys, look at that. That's disgusting. I should have done like 6 sections. I have really thin hair, but I should have done 6 sections. Guys, this is gonna be so uneven. I'm gonna end up having to cut my hair so short to even this out. Oh wait, that was so bad. That was so bad. Oh my god, so much of my hair just came out. This is disgusting. Is this even? Okay, we're gonna stop there for that side. Let's do this side. I gravely underestimated how terrifying this would be. Like, I've seen so many other videos of people doing this that I was like, oh, it won't even be that bad. Guys, it's so scary. Don't do this. It's also kind of boring though. It's like terrifying, but also kind of boring. Oh, that's so gonna be... This was such a bad idea, guys. Don't do this. Oh my god, what's so gross is it just like comes out like that. Isn't that so disgusting? Brad made this seem so easy. He was also doing it on a mannequin though, which I feel like is unfair because it would be like way easier to cut somebody else's hair than like your own. Oh, this side of my hair is still wet. Oh, that's not good. That is so bad. That is so bad. This is the worst thing I've ever done. Oh my god, there's so much hair on this shirt. That's so gross. Okay. Guys. Wait, is that like cute? Oh my god, that's so... That is so uneven. Guys, I like didn't even cut it that short. Hang on. Oh wait, the front is like really even. I did kind of good on the front, not gonna lie. Oh wait, this came out so even. Oh my god, that's so uneven. Wait. I should not have done this. Oh my god, it's so uneven. Hang on, I'm gonna try and fix this a little bit. I'm too lazy to section this again. I'm so sorry. Do you guys see this like line? That is so bad. Guys, it's so uneven. Don't do this. Is it bad? Guys. Oh my god, wait, this side is like way shorter. I did so bad. Okay, I'm gonna try and even out this side more. This is such a bad idea. Oh my god. Why did I do so good on this side, but like not the other side? Do you know what I mean? Or did I? Or is it like, this was such a bad idea. Oh wait, hang on, a lot of my hair is like loose. That's gross. How do people do this? I don't understand. Oh, that is so uneven. Guys, that's so bad. Wait, there's like one piece that is like really bad. Yeah, it's this little bitch. All right, well, this was a mistake. I like genuinely don't understand how people do this. This is so bad. Did I fix it or make it worse? Well, let's find out. Okay, it's like really uneven, but I'm like scared to mess with it more. But like in the front, I feel like I did kind of good. Oh my god, this is so gross. Okay, the next thing I want to do is FaceTime some of my friends. I'm gonna FaceTime Haley first because she told me not to do this, but also to do this. I can't believe I did this. This was such a bad idea. I'm like, the front like looks kind of good though. I'm not even gonna lie. Like it looks kind of good. It's gonna be fun. My mom's gonna even it out for me this weekend. Okay, I'm gonna FaceTime Haley. I cut my hair.
You did not.
I did. The back looks really bad, but like the front is like not that bad, right?
It's cute.
Dude, look how much hair it was.
I can't believe you did that.
I can't believe I did it. Yeah, dude, the back is so bad. Wait, hang on, let me show you. The back is so bad. Can you see it in the mirror?
Yeah. Did you tell your parents?
No.
Oh no.
Yeah. Wait, hang on, I just noticed it. Do you see this little... My hair is covered. Okay, I have to FaceTime some other people to get their reactions.
Okay.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
Okay, now I'm FaceTiming Brian. He's not picking up, Brian.
Hi.
Hi, I just cut my own hair.
Can I see? Wait, it looks so good.
It looks really good in the front, it looks so bad in the back.
Really?
Yeah, wait, hang on, let me show you. It looks so bad in the back. Yeah, look at that.
Have your mom fix it. I was taking a nap.
I'm so sorry. I have to FaceTime Ashton and show her that I cut my hair.
Yes.
Okay, well,
Thanks for showing me.
of course, love you. I'm gonna FaceTime Ashton. Bye. Okay, now we're gonna FaceTime Ashton, and then that'll be it, because that's all of my friends.
Yes.
I cut my hair.
Oh shit.
I cut my own hair.
What the fuck? Oh shit, that doesn't look bad. That looks good.
It's so bad in the back. Here, hang on,
Stop.
let me show you the back, because it's so bad. Do you see that?
Well, it could be a lot worse. Very fun. I'm glad you showed me.
Of course. Bye. Love you.
Love you.
Do you notice anything different about me?
Your hair shorter. Cut yourself?
I did.
Yeah, it's uneven. I like it. I like the concept.
Do you notice anything different?
Oh, did you do your hair
I did.
on your own?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Okay, you guys, now I have to clean up this disgusting mess. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. It's so uneven in the back. Look at that. Yikes. I'm gonna have my mom even it out this weekend, but I just really want to cut my own hair for like the experience and stuff. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, which will probably be something more normal. Okay, bye.